Now we will set up the email address of our website, and then the emails to our website will be forwarded to our Gmail, and then we can reply from our Gmail with the name of our website, like your name at yourwebsite.com instead of your name at gmail.com. Okay, let's start. This is the email of HostGator. We can log into the portal of HostGator using this link, or we can type in portal.hostgator.com. Okay, our email address is rockmark.lat, and then the password, the one that HostGator sent us, this one is our password. Then control copy it, or copy, and then paste it here. Paste, and then press login. Go to hosting, and then look for the email management, and then we can put name of the email address, for example info, or services, or our name, for example Mark Ian, and then password, and then let's put it as unlimited, and then create account. Okay, as you can see, we have a new email account here, and let's click on setup mail client. Then we scroll down. This is the information that we need in manual settings. Okay, let's go back to our Gmail, then click on this button, the settings, and then settings, and then look for accounts and import, and add mail account. This will pop up, and then let's go back to our cPanel, and let's put this one here, and let's copy this email of ours here, next, and then import emails from my other account, POP3, next, and then I will put this, okay. And then our password, the password that we set here, and then the POP server will be this one, incoming server, and then we will use the POP3 port 995, and then you may want to leave a copy, click message, and label your incoming messages. Click on add account. Your mail account has been added, and you may want to click this. Yes, I want to be able to send mail as Mark.Ian, next, and then let's put our name, name Mark.Ian, and do it as alias, and then next. This SMTP server is our outgoing server, this one. In this case, they are the same, but still copied it. And then SMTP port 465. Then username, let's put it Mark. This one. Password, the password again. And then secure the SSL connection at the account. And then it will request a confirmation code. You can check it on our Gmail or in our cPanel. In this case, we'll check in our Gmail. Go to inbox. Maximize this. And then here it is. Click on it. This is the confirmation code. Let's copy it. And then let's go back to our confirmation code. Let's paste it here. And then verify. Then it's done. We go back to settings. And then accounts and import. And here it is. This is our website email. You can make it as default website, so when we send mail, it will be automatically the website email address that we created. Okay, let's go back and it's done.